Hey, what's up everyone? John here at TechmoGo. Today we're going to be taking a look at the best budget gaming components for 100. Now this setup is going to be mainly for PC gaming. Sorry consoles, I'll get you in the next one. So, you want to be a PC gamer and play titles like Apex Legends, Call of Duty, and Fortnite. In my opinion, the best way to play shooters like this is with keyboard and mouse. No, I'm not knocking consoles or claiming PC Master Race, because kicking back on the couch, grabbing your controller, and casually playing some NBA 2K is great fun. But FPS games is a totally different breed. You gotta be able to access your binds on the fly, have quick movements, and lightning fast aim. Let's take Fortnite for example. In Fortnite, building is everything. If you can't build, oftentimes you'll lose the fight. It's much easier to bind keys on a keyboard versus a controller for faster building, especially if you've taken a typing class. You know where all the keys are, so it'll just be like typing and be second nature to you. Now for shooters like COD and Apex, high-level players have mastered the art of movement. Just doing a simple strafe to jump in 180-degree turn all in one motion to get your enemy in your sights and getting the kill is much easier to do on a keyboard and mouse. I know there are great controller players out there, and like anything, to get good, it's going to take time and hard work. But trust me, learning to play using keyboard and mouse is going to offer better ergonomics and overall a better experience in the long run. So we want to find a keyboard that's going to offer us good ergonomics, preferably mechanical switches, and not break the bank. My recommendation is the Redragon K552. It's got great ergonomics, and with the automated red switches will give a smooth linear keystroke, providing faster actuation. Now there's options for other switches like brown and blue, if you like the tactile bump and click. The keyboard is made up of metal alloy and ABS plastic to provide durability. It's got some heft to it, so it doesn't feel cheap. It's also spill-proof, so no problem having a drink nearby. Now I wish you could remove the USB cable or that it was braided, but for $30 you can't have everything. The mouse I recommend pairing with the keyboard is the Redragon M711 FPS. Now this video isn't sponsored by Redragon, I just feel their equipment provides a lot of bang for your buck. This mouse has an optical sensor providing precision and accuracy. The mouse has a classic design that offers great ergonomics. The size and shape and weight is similar to my Razer Mamba TE. It has 7 programmable buttons providing you additional buttons for keybinds. The mouse is made up of all plastic, but feels solid in hand. The cable being braided will give you some added durability. Overall, a solid mouse for around $30. Now having your mouse and keyboard, you may think you're all set, but one crucial part of this package is the headset. No, not so you can look pro, but so you can hear where your enemies are. Hearing those footsteps could mean life or death, could mean engage or retreat. You want to know where your enemies are, and being able to hear them will give you the element of surprise. You also want to be able to communicate if you're playing squads, so your headset needs a mic. For that I chose the Corsair H35. It's got plush memory foam ear cups with a lightweight construction providing the comfort you need for hours of gameplay. It's got on-ear volume and mute control so you can make adjustments on the fly. What I really like about it though is the minimalistic design. The mic is fully detachable so the headset can double up as your everyday carry. You can take it out with you without it screaming, "I'm a gamer." You can find all these products on Amazon, and I'll provide links in the description in case you want to check them out. At the time of this video, the keyboard is $30, the mouse is $33, and the headset is $39. In total, we're at $102. I know we're over budget, but I'm sure you can source out the extra $2. For our budget, these are the best in my opinion. Now that you have your keyboard, mouse, and headset, you're ready to roll out. Good luck on the battlefield, soldier. I may run into you along the way. As always, guys, if you found value in this video and like this type of content, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving the video a thumbs up. Once again, I'm John at TechmoGo. I will see you in the next one.